So a lot of you have asked me if I could pick just one thing to have with me in my garden to help me have a successful garden, what would that one thing be? And I took some time to think about this, but I had to narrow it down to just this one thing, and that's trifecta fertilizer. So when it comes to Trifecta Plus, the thing that I love about it is the fact that I truly can't have a garden without it. Now, every single year, regardless of how the year goes, we rely on Trifecta Plus. Trifecta Plus is an all-purpose fertilizer. That's what's great about it, is you can use it on anything. So all of our plants get it, regardless if it's this amazing cabbage. Like, check it out. Look at this cabbage. It is beautiful. Or the broccoli, we just harvested some last week, kale, onions, these potatoes here, or even these tomatoes. Like, look at these tomatoes. These are determinate Romas. And we just planted these about 3 weeks ago. They were seedlings, granted, but in 3 weeks, they have more than 4x'd in size. It is just absolutely amazing how huge these are. These were planted in the very beginning of May. And so they went from just a seedling that was only about 4 inches tall to this in that amount of time. And that's because of fertilizer, really good quality fertilizer at that. And so we rely very heavily on this fertilizer to help us so we can grow more plants in less space. And it's not just a fertilizer, because a lot of people, they say, well, aren't all fertilizers created equal? And if you believe that, you'd be wrong. So the first reason why Trifecta is not just like your normal fertilizer has to do with the way that it's formulated. You see, a lot of fertilizers are either all fast acting, meaning you're gonna get results right away, or they're slow release, meaning that the nutrients are gonna take time to become plant available over the course of 3 or 4 months or so. So if you need fast results right away, say you have some yellow seedlings, some stress seedlings, things like that, they're not going to get the results until 3 or 4 months later, which is often too late. And so Trifecta contains both fast acting and slow release nutrients so that you're gonna get results right away, as well as in 3 to 4 months as kind of a timed release as they become broken down by beneficial bacteria in the soil. And so it's a really great combination of those fast acting and slow release that make it something that you can use once, only one time, and get results for the rest of the growing season, which is awesome. The second thing that Trifecta doesn't have that most normal fertilizers have is filler. And from just a strictly ethical standpoint, I don't believe in charging for something that doesn't really provide any benefit. Things like sand or other types of fillers that are inert, that don't actually provide any nutrients at all, are often put into fertilizers to add bulk. Bulking agents often will weigh something, but because you're paying by a weight and not by what you're actually getting in terms of nutrients, it often will end up costing you more than you actually receive in the form of nutrients. And so what you're getting in Trifecta is only concentrated nutrients, and that's awesome, because that means when you're getting a 3-pound bag or a 6-pound bag or a 15-pound bag, you know exactly what you're getting, and there's no fluff, no filler. And honestly, from an ethical standpoint, that should be the standard, but sadly it's not. Trifecta is also awesome because it's so gentle that you can use it on not only seedlings, but also fully mature plants like this cabbage. Now, because Trifecta is so well balanced and gentle, it doesn't cause burning of the roots like other fertilizers do. And that's why I love it, is that you can use it during literally any stage of the plant's development. We'll often throw some in like our seedling mix when we're starting seeds, and then we'll add some more when we transplant out our seedlings. And if we happen to forget, or if a plant needs a top dress, we can simply come by and we can top dress right around the top of the plant. Let's say it's on a plant that it needs a little bit more of a pick-me-up halfway through the season. Well, we can't dig the plant up and fertilize underneath the plant. So what do? We simply just dig a little trench, we scratch it in, we fertilize that plant, give us some water, and it's off to the races again. And so it is amazing for any stage in the plant's development, which I think is awesome as well. Trifecta is also awesome because we use it on absolutely everything, from houseplants to vegetables, herbs, even our fruit bushes here, like these blueberries. Look at how loaded down these plants are. Absolutely amazing. We use it on absolutely everything, even ornamentals. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be edible. Because Trifecta can be used by all plants of all kinds, we throw it on absolutely everything, which is great. The final thing that really sets Trifecta apart and why it's something that I do not have a garden without is because of the fact that it's the multivitamin of the garden. Now, a lot of modern day fertilizers only focus on the big 3 macronutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, these 3 numbers. And those are good. The problem is it'd be the equivalent of you only eating 3 types of food your whole life. It's not possible, and it's not a well-balanced diet. And so we took the same approach to what we fertilize our plants with. And so Trifecta Plus contains over 70 different trace minerals which help with micronutrients. And micronutrients are the foundation of a healthy plant and good soil biology. But we took it one step further, because just like you take a probiotic, you might eat something like yogurt or a kefir, something like that, right? Probiotics and prebiotics are so important to our gut health. We took the exact same dietary approach to how we fertilize the garden, because those same bacteria, beneficial bacteria and fungi, create relationships with plants to unlock the nutrients in your soil. The nutrients are often in your soil, but not obtainable because there's not enough beneficial bacteria and fungi. And so in Trifecta, we also added those as well to help unlock those nutrients that are more slow release, so that you have a well-balanced fertilizer that is high quality, it's gonna last all season, and it's well-balanced but diversified in all the different nutrients that your plants are gonna be getting. And then there's one final thing that I think is worth noting, and a lot of you always ask me, because obviously this is a pitch for you to try Trifecta. I want you to try Trifecta. We created it and we do sell it, full transparency. But the thing is, I want you to try it not because I want to sell you something, it's because I want you to have a healthier, bigger, better garden for a fraction of the cost. The reason why I developed Trifecta, and the only reason why I developed Trifecta, is because the needs were not being met out there in the industry. And I said, why are these needs not being met? And the answer is because of money. There is a system of dependency that goes on in the fertilizer industry, where even if you're going with something organic, it will tell you to fertilize 2, 3, 4 times a year. And these fertilizers are not cheap, and they end up costing a lot of money. And so in all of our experiences and all of our trials, when using Trifecta compared to other leading brands, not only were results found to be more impressive, 30 to 40% improvements in growth, but also cost reduction. When using Trifecta over a 500 square foot garden, it will save you on average $220 over those 500 square feet when compared to other comparable fertilizers. So I'm just telling you that you don't have to use this, but if you're looking for something that's going to be the difference maker in your garden, something that we literally add to our garden, and something that thousands of other people have relied on, that's why I made this video. And yes, I do appreciate you watching this video, even if you don't click to buy this. Just spreading the word around, because we want to be difference makers in the gardening industry. We want to be the people that create high quality products at an affordable cost that's going to help you to have more fun in the garden, save you money, and to get you the results that you'd come to expect from an organic garden. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you all learned something new. And as always, this is Luke from the MIgardener channel, reminding you to grow bigger. Take care. Bye. Hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed, consider checking this one out. You'll probably enjoy it just as much. I want to thank you so much for your viewership, because without it, this channel would not be as amazing as it is. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's free. Consider doing that. We upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, rain or shine. And if you need any garden tools, supplies, or seeds, check out MIgardener.com. We got you covered. See you guys in the garden. Bye.